Hey, today I'm going to show you how to crop in Photoshop. Here's an image of one of them that I wanted you to crop. A lot of people had problems with it. Let me show you how to do it. What I'm going to do is, the way I find out the size, I'm going to open in Photoshop, and I go to image size. So this image is 8 by 11 plus, has a resolution of 300. So you want to remember the resolution is important. I'll say OK. And to crop it, I just need to select the crop tool, which I've selected. It puts this bounding box around the image. And then the options for the tool are up here, and we want to select width by height by resolution. And I always like to clear it so I can start over, and I want to go by pixels per inch. And then I just want to put in, I want it to be 7 wide. I just put in 7. I go to the other number. It automatically puts an inch for me. I put in 5. And then the resolution, pixels per inch, I want 300. Okay? And it looks fine the way it is. I'm not going to move it around, which I could move it around if I wanted to. And to make it stick, all I have to do is select the checkbox. Okay? Then I should save it. And, I want to say something that says it is final or something. Something to rmind me that I have it done. And then I go to image size, and it's 5 by 7 by 300. So this project's all done. I'll go on to the next image. This is the way you have to do it to get it to work. You guys could have used, ratio or something else up here under this box, and it just doesn't work right. The only way to make it work perfectly is use width by height by resolution. Okay, that's all I got for today.